Yo, what's up guys? So ayun, no, gagala na naman tayo. So ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa hometown ko, sa Caraga, Davao Oriental. Mga bagong kasamahan yung kasama ko. So, kita-kits. Antay muna tayo kay Mika. Jollibee muna tayo. Yo guys, nasa airport na kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ken's Travel Vlog. Guess who's with me? My college classmates. Let's begin with Mara Mahitosis, a member of theater arts and a good dancer of doxology. The next is Hazel Mendoza, a member also of theater arts, an SB19 fanatic. Here comes the student assistant of CDSP, Lisa Marie Toledo, a hardworking and smart girl from Iloilo City, Philippines. Team leader is also here. She is Mika Vergara. She is good in dancing and singing. She can eat without rice for 1 week. What a girl. The last girl that we have is Patricia Ann Guava, single and ready to jingle. She loves watching Korean movies, that's why she wants to marry a handsome Korean like Ryan Band. It's the boys' turn. Let's begin with the muscle man, Jose Marie Carey Jr. He likes to wear a hat and watch anime. He always go to the gym to be stronger like Becky. And this is Lisa's boyfriend, Kervin Nathaniel Maplin. He loves Lisa so much. They are so sweet when they are together, but be careful of being sweet. That's not good for your health. How about Hazel's boyfriend? He is C.L. Quintero. He loves playing basketball, that's why he always travel around the world. That's the bars. And lastly, the most humble person on earth with 25 pimples. Let's give it up for John Kevin Fowlers, a theater arts member and the one who are editing this script right now. He is so handsome. He likes dancing, beatboxing and playing guitar, piano, violin, drums, trumpet and flute.
Masakto, yan yung angle ko. Anong meaning nito? Anong meaning nito? Para malaman ko nga kung anong ibig sabihin.
Kaya mo, bakit ay kuliti ko?
Hindi naman kita. Kukuha mo na siya. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, mababaon ka. Promise, hindi mo gusto lahat ng cards ko, eh. Wala akong choice. Puro ganyan nga kasi.
Para?
Kala ko naman ko.
Sekretary pa pala, si sekretary. Yo, what's up? Papunta na kami sa aeroplano. Time check, 7:30. Let's go. Miss Mane.
Hello.
Mane.
Kaya mo, bakit ay kuliti ko?
Yan na ako. Sige.
Parayin mo na sa kabila.
Sige.
Here yan?
Yo guys, dito na kami. Kakalapag lang namin. Nakita-kits ulit mamaya. Parang nag-update lang ako eh. Puro kumukha ko Lenny. Yo guys, dito na kami sa Lupon. Alauna na, madaling araw. Papunta na kami sa Caraga. Kita-kits doon.
Beautek? Anong makikita dyan? Nag-beautek?
Sabi ko, wag pre, wag! Yo guys, so ayan, nakuha na namin yung baboy na in-order namin, lilitsunin namin mamaya.
Bigyan mo ng sounds.
Naway, nakonsensya tuloy ako.
Kala ko naman kasi patay yung uuli namin. Pangkantay na talaga. Oo, yung parang...
Yo guys, papunta na tayo sa Victor Island. Yun lang. Yo guys, dito na kami sa may San Victor. Yo guys, dito na kami magpapalit. Papunta na kami sa San Victor Island, no? It's doon. Yo guys, nandito na kami sa San Victor Island and now so far nagpi-picture pa lang sila. Di pa kami nakakaligo. No, so ngayon, eto pa rin, wala pinagbago yung San Victor Island, no? Ano pa rin yung buhangin, maganda. So, let's go. Swimming tayo mamaya.
Okay, 1.
Ano, linaw ng buhangin eh.
Pinupino no.
Oo. Pwede dyan.
Kaya.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these.
Ulit. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going. LeBron.
Yo guys, ayan no. So, tapos na sila mag-swimming. Kakain na kami. Kainan na!
Sabi mo sa ano ba to?
Nakaupo ka ba, Disan? Ay, nakaupo ka. Ay, sorry. Eh, meron po upo ito.
Yo, what's up? Kakatapos na namin kumain. Busog na busog si Karayuma. Tingin yung chan.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin.
Beast mode ka na ba? Dahil sa traffic, bibita ka na ba? Sa gobyerno natin, ka malang kapatid, ka malang kapatid. Sa sarili ay
Yeah! May harot-harot! Nice!
sa malamig. Sa malamig, sa malamig. Sa malamig, sa malamig. Sa malamig, sa malamig. Sa malamig, sa malamig.
Ayun na!
Yo guys, ayan, papunta na tayo sa Kampawan Falls, sa Carter Falls.